Samsung will shortly announce the Galaxy S24 series. Whilst we wait for the devices to arrive, we already have heard rumours about them. Some of the details are certain, while some are speculations. It is almost certain that the Galaxy S24 series will have prices similar to the Galaxy S23 series. This is because the price of ultra premium phones has been going up in recent years and does not seem to be coming back down. With only days left for the release of the new Galaxy S24 series, Samsung remains very quiet about the specifications. However, numerous rumours and tips have already surfaced online regarding the possible features of the Galaxy S24 series. The Samsung S24 series phones are expected to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in some markets, such as the US, Canada and China. Meanwhile, for the rest of the markets, Samsung may opt for its in-house Exynos 2400 chipset to power the smartphones. The base model is expected to feature a 6.2-inch AMOLED 2x FHD display, a 50-megapixel main camera with support for 8K video recording up to 30x space zoom. For storage, the smartphone is said to get 8GB of RAM with options of 128GB or 256GB of storage. The smartphone may also house a 4000 mAh battery that is likely to have fast charging that would enable it to reach 50% charge in 30 minutes. For the Plus variant, Samsung is going to use a similar camera system as its base model. However, the device will feature a larger 6.7-inch AMOLED 2x QHD Plus display, a 4900 mAh battery along with 12GB of RAM and options for 256GB or 512GB of storage. For the most expensive S24 Ultra, Samsung is almost certain to replace the aluminium body with titanium, following in the footsteps of its rival Apple, which introduced the new iPhone 15 Pro models with a titanium body. As for the specifications, the Ultra model is said to have a powerful camera system which may include a 200 megapixel main lens, a 10x quad telephoto and 100x space zoom. The Ultra models will also include the S Pen. Additionally, it is expected to feature a 6.8-inch AMOLED 2x QHD Plus display and a 5000 mAh battery. In terms of design, all three variants are likely to look similar to the S23 models. However, the Ultra model may come with a more flat screen. The focus of this year's Galaxy S24 lineup will be the integration of AI in the phone. Samsung is reportedly integrating its generative AI system into the S24 series, so instead of relying on cloud access, Samsung's new AI system may handle on-device GAI processors supported by the latest Snapdragon chipset. This AI is likely to enable a number of features in the phone, including features such as auto message replying and more extensive photo editing. Samsung has been known for introducing new software capabilities. This year, we are expected to see several such features. The smartphone is expected to have Android 14 based One UI 6.1 with many new features. The iPhone 15 Pro currently holds the most premium smartphone tag thanks to the use of titanium, which is lighter and more durable than stainless steel. Samsung, on the other hand, is also going straight from aluminium to titanium, which should get the same premium status as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is reported to come in color options like titanium black and titanium grey. The smartphone is expected to be available in some exclusive color options like orange, blue and green, available exclusively on Samsung.com. Despite looking similar to its predecessors, it seems to pack better hardware and software with added generative AI capabilities. The S24 could easily be the most expensive non-foldable smartphone that Samsung has ever launched. It is a testament to Samsung's relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence. With its unparalleled design, powerful performance and groundbreaking features, it is set to redefine the standards of what a smartphone can achieve. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a professional on the go, or someone who values style and functionality, the Samsung Galaxy S24 is a game changer in every sense of the word. This is the Unboxing Beard, and we just shared some of the Samsung Galaxy S24 rumours.